Hey, this is Mitchell. Welcome to another video in the RSP Education series. Imagine trying to send sensitive data across the internet without protection, like mailing blueprints of your factory in a clear envelope. Anyone along the way could see or steal them. That's where VPNs come in. Think of them like secure armored delivery trucks that drive through private tunnels only you and your team can access. In this video, we're going to explore how virtual private networks, or VPNs, are used in industrial automation to protect your most critical systems, from PLCs and HMIs to SCADA platforms and any other cloud-connected sensors. We're also going to show you how the Semtech AirLink XR60 supports industrial VPN applications and why it's becoming a go-to solution for secure, remote connectivity. If you like this kind of content and want more educational videos, please like and subscribe. Also, this video is for educational purposes only. Consult a professional for your application. RSP Supply is not liable for any misuse of this information. With that said, let's get right into it. Think of a VPN like a secure delivery truck. Only authorized people can load it, and it travels on a private highway that no one else can see. A virtual private network, or a VPN, creates a secure, encrypted connection between devices over the internet or private networks, kind of like a private tunnel for your data. In industrial automation, keeping data secure is critical. VPNs protect sensitive systems like PLCs and SCADA from cyber threats, unauthorized access, and data leaks. OpenVPN and IPsec are commonly used in industrial setups as VPN protocols because they offer strong encryption and flexibility for different networks. In industrial automation, VPNs help keep data safe when devices, systems, and people connect from different places. Here's where you'll usually see VPNs being used. In industrial routers and firewalls, some examples would be any kind of rugged industrial-grade router with built-in VPN capabilities. Industrial firewalls designed for OT network segmentation and security. Its function is to establish site-to-site VPNs between factories and headquarters. It provides remote access to PLCs, HMIs, and SCADA systems. PLCs and industrial controllers. Modern PLC platforms with built-in VPN clients or support for secure tunneling protocols. Use case for this would be to safely connect from remote locations to performing programming and diagnostics using automation software like TIA Portal or TwinCat over a secure VPN tunnel. HMIs and SCADA systems use VPNs, operator interface panels with network connectivity. SCADA software platforms that support integration with VPNs for secure cloud or remote access. Their function is going to allow operators to monitor and control industrial processes securely from off-site locations. Industrial PCs, or IPCs, and edge gateways. These are ruggedized PCs for control room or field deployment with support for VPN clients. Edge computing devices used to pre-process and transmit data securely to enterprise systems. Function of this is going to host VPN clients for secure data transmission to MES or ERP systems or cloud platforms. Cellular 4G, 5G modems for remote sites. Cellular gateways with built-in VPN support for secure remote access. You'll also see it within industrial cellular modems used to link remote equipment to central control. So you'd securely connect RTUs, sensors, and remote pumps to a central SCADA system via cellular networks. Cloud and industrial Internet of Things platforms. Some examples in this category would be cloud-based industrial IoT platforms that support VPN connection for data ingestion. Edge-to-cloud data platforms that use secure tunneling to transmit operational data. Function for this would be to securely upload machine data like predictive maintenance information to cloud analytics systems. You're also going to have these used in engineering workstations and laptops. Any laptop or desktop used by engineers for remote automation tasks. Devices configured with OpenVPN or similar clients to connect securely OT environments. Its use case would be engineers remotely accessing PLCs, distributed control systems, or robotic controllers for maintenance, programming, or diagnostics. So industrial VPN appliances. These are actually dedicated hardwares that are purpose-built for secure remote access and network isolation, such as VPN concentrators used in critical infrastructure requiring high availability. Its function is to isolate OT networks from IT networks while enabling secure, managed remote access for approved personnel. Where VPNs are not typically found, within legacy field bus devices, older protocols, like Profibus, DeviceNet. These don't use internet-style communication. Basic sensors and actuators, they usually connect via industrial protocols like we just mentioned, Modbus RTU without VPN support. So here's the bottom line. VPNs are essential for securing remote access and data flow across industrial systems. Whether you're programming a PLC from across the country, monitoring SCADA dashboards from home, or pushing edge data to the cloud, VPNs make sure that connection is private, encrypted, and safe. We looked at how VPNs show up in routers, in PLCs and HMIs, cloud gateways, and even cellular modems, and how solutions like the Semtech AirLink XR60 offer built-in support for protocols like OpenVPN and IPsec to keep your infrastructure locked down and always accessible. Well, that wraps it up for VPNs, where they're found, where they're not found, and what supports them. For a full line of routers and the Semtech AirLink XR60, along with hundreds of thousands of other industrial automation products, go to our website. That's rspsupply.com, the internet's top source for industrial hardware.